Hello everyone, welcome to Excel Dose. In this video, we'll learn some useful and hidden Excel tricks and tips. So let's start with this. The first trick is to identify the path of the file. So suppose I am working on this particular file and I want to see the path of this file. So what I have to do is I have to type here equal to cell bracket start, then double quote file name, then just press enter button, then you will see the path of this particular file. The next trick is to identify the argument of particular function. So suppose I am typing here VLOOKUP, and if I want to see all the arguments here, so what I have to do is I have to press Ctrl Shift A, then you will see all the argument here. The next trick is to identify the formula in particular table or the sheet. So as you can see, I have used here the formula, and if I want to see all the formula used in this particular table, what I have to do is press Control key and caret key. Then you will see all the formulas here. Then return to the previous, again press Control caret key. And if I want to move this particular formula to somewhere else, what I have to do is I have to just click on these corners, and then I can move to anywhere, right, without impacting the any of the formula. The next trick is to highlight only the numbers or the text. For that, what we have to do is select complete data, then press F5, then click on special, then click on constant. If you want to highlight only the numbers, just select only the numbers, rest uncheck, and then click on OK. Then just go to the highlight bar or fill color, then click on this one. Now you will see it highlighted only the numbers. In the same way, if you want to highlight only the text, again press F5, then go to the special, constant, and then this time just select the text, then click on OK. Then you can choose any of the color. Now you will see this is how it works. The next trick is to identify the last number of any of the particular row or the column. So as you can see, I have a number of data here, and if I want to identify the last number, so what I have to do is I have to type here equal to, then lookup, then here I have to use the scientific number. Okay, for that is 1E 100, then a comma, then select the complete row, then just press the enter button. Then you will see it's showing me the last number of this particular row. And suppose I have added here the number called 6500, then you can see it's also highlighting the same number. So these were some Excel tricks and tips. Please let us know in the comment section which one is your favorite, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Excel Dose. Thank you.